Good morning. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Evangeline Aguete, 23 years old, born on July 30, 1989. I finished my studying at Mariano Marcos State University, BS in Industrial Technology.
Okay, so you have experience as domestic helper in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Okay, you took care of a 1-year-old baby. Okay, so would you mind to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
To give milk, ma'am.
Change their diaper, right? And check them always, okay? So, do you have patience to get along in an elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
How? To give them first aid, right? And to assess them always, okay? How do you control your homesick?
Going to church. Keep safe.
Keep busy yourself on duties, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you promise not to take your vacation, go back Philippines unless you're not finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook a Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell, name it please.
No.
Simply.
Simply fried rice, fried vegetables, noodles.
Okay. So, don't you mind if your employer requests you to cut your hair and your nails?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, don't you mind if your employer requests give you a weekday off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, tell me, what is the right attitude for a domestic helper? It's hardworking, right? And honest. Okay. Domestic helper is being good and respect all the time of their employer and follow the rules and their condition, right? The rules and their. Okay. So it's your time to see something for your future employer. Okay, give me scene.